Seymour, I made it, despite your direction.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for Bowie County in northeastern Texas, Miller County in southwestern Arkansas until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located 10 miles southeast of Texarkana, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the Texarkana metropolitan area. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile home will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Location impacted include Texarkana, Leary, Nash, Lake Village, Redwater, and Falkey. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Oh no, bandit Skinnerburgers.